Okay, how to deal with your photo albums. For each album that you've got on your website, each album lives on a separate page on your website. So you can see if you go up to the page title here, soulhype.com/Lebanon-photoshoot is the page that the Lebanon photo shoot lives on. And you can see here, whoops, drag that the wrong spot. It's laid out in what's called a photo mosaic, so there's no spaces in between, and it's kind of hopefully a bit artful in the way that it's laid out. And when you click, you get the shadow box that pops out. You can go picture to picture. So what you want to do is you want to go to the back end of the website. So if you're looking on your website here, you know you're signed in when you've got this bar across the top and this bar across the bottom. And so what you could do is here you can go to edit page directly from there. It takes you to the back end of this page. The other way to do that is once you've signed in, you come to this, the dashboard. You can go to pages, list all the pages. And from there you'll see Lebanon photo shoot, and you can click here. So what you see here, this is what's called the visual editor, and then what you have text is that'll show the code behind what you see as the visual. We'll work on the visual here. In order to drive the photo mosaic, it says photo mosaic. In order to get back to a place where you can edit it, you need the original copy. So this is where you probably just call me and have me do it. So what we do is we put the original back in. We don't need IDs twice. And click update. And so now you actually see the photos. And if you click, you can click edit. Now what this does is if you view the page, now you see that they've all got big spaces between them, and it doesn't look anywhere near as pretty as it did before. That's what photo mosaic does, is makes it look pretty. So now that we have taken photo mosaic out, we can edit, and what we want to do is now upload the new photos that we've that you just uploaded to me. So we want to add to the gallery, and rather than take things out of the media library, we want to upload files, new files, to the photo library. So this is where you would go to your hard drive or other storage device to grab them. Here we are, these are you, the Lebanon optimized. Ugh. And I don't remember which ones are up already and which ones haven't. 3, 6, there were 7 of them on there already. So I believe that's a new one. So we'll go 8 to 19 because there was no 7, and click open. And then that's just going to, one after the other, it's going to upload them. Okay, so each new file is uploaded. So we're just going to click add to gallery. It'll automatically put them in, and then update gallery. And you'll see that they're all in there. Then you have to update the page, and that will actually publish it to the web. So then when we come here, reload the page, and you can see your new photos are there. So what I like to do is here is you see there's a balance between horizontal and vertical photos. And then here, just to balance it out, I might do a vertical, horizontal, vertical. That'll work. Then we've got 2 verticals and horizontal there. So what I do is I go to the back to this, and here I can rearrange photos if I like. I like these 2 together. Those 3 together. So let's bring this one. Oh, sorry, you have to edit the gallery. It's harder to see in the edit gallery what is a vertical and what's a horizontal, but you kind of get it figured out. So just click out of that. The one I want to move is the one with the rug. I want to move it to the last row and move this one up to here. So let's do that. The one with the rug. I'm going to move to the end. And this one back to where the rug one was, which was somewhere right around in there, I believe. So I've got 3 horizontals, 3 verticals, and the balance one. So let's update that. We'll come back to the front end, reload. And that looks quite nice. So now what we're going to do is go back. And we're going to make this a photo mosaic again by clicking on the text or the code version. And it's everything before the IDs we're going to replace with photo mosaic. We'll update the page, and now when we reload, you get that nice photo mosaic. And look, everything fits in together, and it's beautiful. Yeah, I like it. There you go.